Hi everyone, this is Wen Guo from Wen Guo Real Estate Group. Today we're showcasing 3377 La Selva Street, Unit A. This one is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 2-level townhome style condo in San Mateo. Entering the semi-open floor plan with an updated flooring and recessed ceiling light, the living room and dining room area are elegantly combined together with a sliding door open to a spacious private patio for outdoor entertaining. Upstairs is 2 sizable bedrooms sharing a large remodeled bathroom. Amazingly convenient, just minutes from Hillsdale Mall, grocery stores, restaurants, parks, Caltrain, easy access to Highway 101. And don't miss the chance to make it your sweet home or a great investment property here. 您好，欢迎和我一起参观 San Mateo 的3377 La Selva Street A 单元，阳光充沛，2房1卫舒适公寓。1楼是开放式居住空间，自带私密阳台。2楼敞亮房间，装修升级的洗手間，小區管理好，還帶游泳池。裝修精緻，生活便利，投資自住都好啱，一齊過嚟拎包入住啦！ Thank you so much for watching the video with us. If you have any question or would like to schedule a showing, please feel free to contact us or your agent. 歡迎過嚟參觀，我們團隊隨時在這裡歡迎你，隨時歡迎你同我哋打招呼，或者同你自己嘅 agent 傾偈，了解呢間屋㗎。